Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make paneer curry. Paneer is a comfort food, comes from India. Paneer made from milk, it's just like cheese but it doesn't melt so easily, just like tofu. Alright, the first thing to do is we fry the onion. And then we fry the tomato. I use one tomato here. Let them fry until they become soft. Meanwhile, we can cut the paneer. This paneer, I made it by myself and you can check the video. I link it down below or you can click the link on the corner of the screen. Make sure to check the video. This paneer is so soft, it will melt in your mouth when you eat it. Alright, the tomato and the onion become soft now and we transfer it into the blender. This blender is Indian blender. If you guys curious about this blender, you can also check the blender out. The link is in the description below. And then after we transfer the onion and tomato, we fry the cashew nuts. After that, we transfer it again back to the blender and then we fry the bell pepper. We don't need to fry it so long, we just need to see any blister from the bell pepper and then we transfer it to a plate. And then we fry the paneer. Also, we don't need to fry it too long, just need to see the brownish on the surface of the paneer and then we can transfer them. And now we blend the tomato, onion and the cashew. This is why I use this blender, because this is so powerful. It will make everything liquid without any chunk left behind. And then after that we add the puree into the pan with the hot oil. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is Kashmiri spicy powder, and then coriander powder. I'm adding a little bit of oil here because I'm feeling like it needs more oil. You can skip if you don't want. Salt, here I'm using rock salt. Just a bit of sugar. We don't want it to be sweet, but we want it to be savory. That's why we add sugar. And then mushroom powder. Originally in India they don't really use kind of mushroom powder or stuff, but I like to use the mushroom powder because it just adds more flavor in it. And now add the water a little bit, let it shimmer for a while. Now I'm adding kasuri methi. This is her dry fenugreek leaves. This will add a lot of flavor. This is like restaurant style flavor that we really like. I'm adding a little bit more of Kashmiri spice powder and a little bit of turmeric. And don't worry because the Kashmiri spice powder is not that spicy, so it's just for the color. And then we add the cream. Heavy cream. And then we add back the bell pepper and the paneer and let it shimmer for a while. The paneer to soak up all the flavor from the gravy. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of nehi or ghee and coriander leaves on top and more cream because this is a comfort food, so why not? Alright, this is done and we can eat it with naan, chapati, rice, bread, whatever it is, it's gonna be so good. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.